Maybe you're well versed in the advantages and disadvantages of surrogacy. You've explored it from all angles, medically, emotionally, financially, and logistically, and you've decided that it's for you. Well, now what? It's a great question, and for most hopeful parents, an overwhelming one. That's why Future Family Starter is here to help. We can guide you through every step of surrogacy's process. Step 1 is to connect you with a surrogate or egg donor, depending upon your needs. And let's be clear, when I say connect, I don't mean scanning through dating service-style profiles, picking one based on their eye color and the fact that they enjoy hiking as a hobby, and then moving forward with the agreement. I mean introducing you to surrogates and donors who have been through a medical and psychological screening to ensure their rightful candidacy, and allowing you to sit down face to face and connect in a real way to determine if there's a physical, psychological, and emotional match. We can facilitate an introduction and even help lead a meeting if you so desire. But the choice, without compromise, is yours to make. Step 2 is to execute a legal agreement. It's no secret the legal framework governing surrogacy in the U.S. is muddled to the point that it can even confuse those who practice law for a living. In the United States, there is no federal regulation dictating the legality of surrogacy on a national level. Surrogacy is governed at the state level, and laws and regulations can vary widely from state to state, ranging from criminal penalty to full protection of those parties engaged in surrogacy agreements. The result is a patchwork state-by-state legal atmosphere, which is complicated, unclear, and to some extent unpredictable. In welcome contrast, California has served as one of the most stable and favorable states in which to execute and complete a surrogacy agreement. The state has a strong base of case law which upholds surrogacy agreements and grants legal custody to intended parents, including lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender parents. When you're ready, we will initiate and manage the necessary legal proceedings to enter into a surrogacy agreement, including the drafting, negotiation, and execution of a contractual agreement, one which protects you and your child, which you understand thoroughly, and which creates a sound framework to move forward. We will also file the legal documents and handle the necessary court hearing to obtain a legal determination of your status as the child's parent. If desired, we will obtain birth certificates identifying you as the legal parents. We strongly urge and frankly insist that surrogates and egg donors have their own legal counsel. I recall a young woman serving as a surrogate who approached me at a conference and said that she couldn't afford her own lawyer, so she simply trusted the parents' counsel to protect her interests. This is not right. Different forms of legal protection are needed on both sides. There's a new life at stake, and surrogacy is not, I repeat, is not, an arena for aggressive and manipulative lawyering. Step 3, after a legal agreement has been reached, is to begin fertilization and implantation medical processes. We've assembled a team of leading Southern California physicians, and if you wish, we will refer you to specialized physicians who are leaders in egg harvesting, fertilization, and implantation techniques. From here, our role moves into a supervisory one, staying on top of your surrogate to ensure they are keeping all medical appointments and leading a lifestyle which supports a healthy child. Sadly, the parents often disappear at this stage and show up again at the time of delivery. We urge you to keep in close contact with your surrogate throughout the pregnancy, or if you prefer, we will do so ourselves and inform you of updates and opportunities to join your surrogate at medical appointments. With our help, the goal is to free you from stress and distraction of surrogacy's process and allow you to focus on what's truly important, preparing to welcome a new child into the world with love, warmth, and with care.